G'day everyone. As you can see, Badland is back. I'm in a little bit better mood than I was last time. It really knocked me for six. Still can't ride much, but just updating on the news. Had all the medical and everything like that. So no broken bones, no fractures. Pardon me, I did write a note because I can't remember what they said it was. But I've got a full thickness partial tear of the infraspinatus and the swollen bursal thickness, which basically means I've got a big fluid sac somewhere in there that's doing it, and then I've got a full thickness partial tear. I don't know, it sort of contradicts itself. That's going up the ultrasound, so of the one of the thingamajigs in your body. Sorry, technical term here. So basically it inhibits me from lifting higher at the moment or anything like that. So asked the doctor, what's the go? Is it like putting Volg in a thing and it's slowly in an old car and it fills up? And he said, nah, it's more like welding, little bit by little bit, it repairs itself as long as you don't do anything stupid, but it won't be the original one there. Oh, he said, yeah, you older models are getting harder to fix. And I went, fair call. I like that analogy. And good news is I've found another KLR. My wife and my friend Rob both pinged me on a messenger within about 30 seconds of each other. Messaged the guy, went round. It was unregistered at the time, but he was going to put 6 months rego on it and get a roadworthy. So we had to wait a week or so. Let me go have a look, started it, everything was fine. Had a full service history up to about 3 months ago when he let the rego run out. It's only done 5,488 kilometres, and going by the book, every time he's ridden it has been like for 500 or 600 k's over that time frame, or sometimes less, but he's always got it serviced regularly, so that's a good thing. Yeah, it's had a little, he's dropped it on the bars, learning to ride. He's learned to ride bike, and he's got a great big boulevard thing now, all done up, looks really cool actually. Anyhow, so we could not believe the price he was asking for it, and we're just so happy I got it. Picked it up last week, and then yesterday my wife and I were cleaning up, doing things. I can't do much, so whatever I couldn't do, she was doing for me. Yeah, even to oiling the chain as I was moving it around. So yeah, because this one doesn't have a center stand, but other than that, it's all good. Pretty limited on what I can do. Just got to get a metal bash plate for it, and got the bark busters for it already. That's what we put on yesterday. Yeah, so it's getting there. My wife's already on the lookout, writing lists of little things we've got to do. So I can't ask for much more support from Donna. So I just wanted to give you an update. I'll show a video shortly, it'll tail this, saying, just showing it the condition it was when we picked it up. It'll probably be another 3 or 4 weeks before I can ride it at least properly. Well, yeah, because it's just a bit heavier for me at the moment, but just like to say that little KTM 390 Adventure is an awesome little bike. It is so underrated. I got the 1000k service done, and they put the B&B bash plate, B&B tail rack on, and the crash bars for me. I don't know why I didn't get it done the first time. Anyhow, and I cannot fault that bike. As soon as they've done that 1000k service, the ECU is unlocked, so you've got a full rev range. That bike just cruises. So don't let anyone tell you like a little 390 can't do what that does. Again, no dirt on the bike because I'm not going to push it either, but it's got road tyres at the moment. So but yeah, just have that. So I'm hoping, now I know I said 2 or 3 weeks in the last video, but the doctor put a spanner in the works for that, so I'm guessing it's going to be about another 2.5 to 3 weeks, and then I'm going to go on just a light gentle ride, all being well, just cruising around, maybe with someone, maybe just myself, just getting used to the bike. No, just go to a waterfall or something, some scenic country road. We'll find something for you. I appreciate all the support, all the comments I got back, and I just can't thank you enough. And special thanks to my wife, who's not in the greatest of health herself, but she was out there yesterday doing everything she could to help me get it all going again. So thanks everyone. Badlander out for this thing, but Badlander's coming back with the KLR. Oh, I forgot to say, it's only 3 months older than my old KLR, same colour and everything. It's just got the shorter windscreen and that. So, but Badlander out this time. Thanks so much for your support. I will be back on the archery side of things, probably looking at about 6 months, being realistic from what the doctor said, and I'll be shooting a lot lighter bows, I think, or I'll be going a compound. But that's another thing. I just want to get mobile again. Cheers everyone, see you next time. Okay everyone, this is the new second-hand KLR version 2. My wife and my riding mate Rob both spotted it. Must have been within 30 seconds of each other I got the message for this bike. I couldn't believe it. My wife said message him, so we messaged him. He said come on out, have a look. He said it's got 6 months rego, but I haven't had a chance to get the roadworthy or anything on it yet, but that comes with that. Fellow by the name of Will, and he learnt on this bike, so he said, and now it's got a few scratches, it's got the odd ding. So scratches are primarily on the crash bar, and he's got one little ding on the tank there. I don't know if you can see that. Actually running the same tyres I had on the old bike. I can't believe that. And there's the kilometres, 5,493. That's a 2017 model. With the full service history, it's been serviced regularly every 6 months, whether he rode it or not. Yeah, so I just can't believe how lucky I am to get this one back. Now I still can't ride it too much at the moment, but got a few things like got these crappy protection things on. I've already got the bark busters at home waiting to go on. Just need the strength of my arm to do it. Yeah, we're getting the bash plate for it, and otherwise she's pretty right to go. Just need me to get ready to go. It's got the old-fashioned tail tidy on it. They're all things that I can work on. I've got the bike back, I've got a good working piece, I've got the good old-fashioned KLR that I like. Anyhow, Badlander will be back with the KLR soon. I've just got to get my shoulder fixed up now and we're good to go. So please be patient, stand by, and I'll keep doing updates of what I've done.